The 2015 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 Top Safety Pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, heated seats, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.